Hello everyone, it's Damien from Spark Angels. Just going to do another repair on an iPhone 6 battery. So today we have sounds from the farm, as you can hear the rooster. So obviously, as per normal, if you need to know anything about the repair I'm doing, please ask some questions. If not, you can ask questions after or private message us with any information you would like to know. So again, today I'm just going to go through the repair. I'll go through some key points, but I'll leave you with the sounds of the farm. Brilliant. So we'll start it off. Make sure you always turn off the phone as well. The majority of the time you do need to take off the screen, but I'm going to do it without taking out the screen. Show you how that's done. Just taking out the vibration motor because it's easier to do, remove the battery adhesive like that. Sometimes your battery adhesive will tear, which makes it a little bit more of a nightmare. The slower you do this, the easier it is to get out. Right, so that's the battery. Obviously with me doing it this way, you need to try and not bend the screen or move the screen as much as possible. Right, so your battery. New adhesive. Always plug it in first just to line up the battery, but always unplug it afterwards. There you go. So that was replacing a battery in an iPhone 6. So with the battery replaced in that, obviously it's all up and running now. I gotta show you, turn it on, show it all working again. So it's a nice little quick simple repair. There we go, it's all turned on, all working again. It's a nice quick simple repair. Obviously it can cause damage by doing it, but generally most of the time you're just nice and quick and nice and careful with it. You can get it done without damaging anything. Brilliant. So that was that video. Obviously, as normal, got any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. If not, obviously personal messages, or you can give us a call, or go on our website, which is sparkangels.co.uk. Brilliant. So I hope you enjoyed the sound of the farm with the cows mooing. And this is Damien again from Spark Angels, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.